My name is Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. I really don't. I'm going to wing this look. I'm thinking, because it's almost Halloween, I wanted to do a Halloween tutorial. I don't think it's going to top my spider face mask one from last year. That was pretty good. Even the one from the year before was pretty good. I want to do candy corn this year, and I don't know, I feel like I want to try something different. Maybe like all matte with a glitter liner wing thing going on up there. I don't know, so just follow along and we'll see how we turn out. I have my eyes primed already. I'm going to start by using my dollar store brush and my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 110 Porcelain just to set my eyeshadow primer from crease to brow bone and to create a base. Mostly to set, because the shadows I'm going to be using today don't blend out that well. Why am I using them? I don't know. And of course, as you follow along this trial and error tutorial, you can substitute anything you want at any time you want to make the look more applicable to you. So I'm taking my BH Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it, and I'm taking the Norvina Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to take D4, which is the matte yellow, and I'm going to put that on the inner third of like my crease and transition area, because the bottom of candy corn is yellow. I was originally going to do the candy corn in reverse, like do the white over here and then orange, then yellow. But with the shape that I'm going to do, there's going to be a point over here, and I figured, well, the point of the candy corn is white, so I think that would make more sense. Blending doesn't have to be perfect though, because I'm gonna do graphic eyeliner. So whatever mistake you make, we make, I make, will be hidden beneath of it. Then I'm going to use D2, which is the bright orange, and I'm gonna put that in the middle third. And this shade is very pigmented. The yellow is not so pigmented. The orange is very pigmented. I'm just going to blend that into the yellow and start blending it upward. I'm going to try to make sure they're even on both sides. Now, it's hard to get white to show up on my light skin tone, so this should actually work in my favor. This is the Volume 5, it says on the back. And I'm going to use A1 because this white is so pigmented. I'm going to use the same brush, and that is going out here. You see that? And now I'm going to start making like a pointed shape out here. And also blend that into the orange a little bit. Now the tricky part is, can I do that on this side? I want that yellow to be brighter. I think I'm going to go into my trusty Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to change to my IBY crease brush, and I'm going to go into the bright matte yellow. This is Sunflower if you have the Lisa Frank version, but it's also the only matte yellow in the palette, so. I don't know if you see a difference in the camera, but I see a difference out here. Next time I should have just used this. The white isn't that pigmented though, I must admit. So my style now would be to do the same colors in shimmers, but I don't know. I'm gonna do something a little different. So I'm gonna use the same mattes. So I'm gonna go back into this palette, and we'll try it again, D4, and that's going on the inner third of my lid. Then I'm going to take D2 and put that in the middle of my lid. Wow. Yeah, this one is something else. And then I'm going to blend that into the yellow. But because this yellow sucks, I'm gonna need to go back and blend the yellow into the orange instead. And because the orange sucks too, it just wants to stick there. Someone tell me why I used these. Good thing candy corn is not blended. Just 3 stripes of color. And then I'm going to take the white again, and I'm going to put that on the outer third. And I'm going to try to blend it into the orange a little bit. At least I can rely on the white. Now for the graphic liner, I'm thinking you could use like a gold glitter or silver glitter. I think that would look pretty good. Here I have the Kiko Milano glitter eyeliner in 02, the silver one. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna start by going like where I made like the pointed triangular shape. And I think I'm just gonna like press it on the edge there. There we go. Now I'm going to put more glitter on top of that, but I think that's a good start. Okay, I did that to both sides. And then I am going to go around the edge of the eyeshadow that we put on. Now, if you're better with a swiping motion, I would go with that. I think I'm going to be better with a pressing motion for this. So why did I swipe? Look, I messed it up.
Hold on, what the heck is that on your eyes?
Candy corn.
Oh my god.
Anyone ever see, I think Rain Cornelius on Instagram? I don't know how she does like that kind of thing so perfectly. This is so hard. Oh my god, no. This is why I personally should have stuck to swiping. I mean pressing. I think in here, maybe I'll try to come from here and go up. Like not quite all the way out here, but I think I do want to come down. I hope I'm not blocking all of this with my hand. Then again, do you really need my help? I think you can do this better than I can. You just wanted me for the idea, right? There we go. That's kind of the idea that I had. This got a little pointed where it shouldn't be. But otherwise, see the candy corn? That's not even. You get the idea, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over that with, this is an eyeliner from Ulta Beauty, liquid liner glitter in silver. God knows when I acquired this. And really, I'm going to press this time. I'm going to press wherever I have the glitter eyeliner because I want more glitter. I think I need to get some new glitter liners though. Do they still have those NYX like crystal liners? On one hand, I really liked those because they had a lot of pigment to them. But on the other hand, they kind of crumbled easily. And I think I was allergic to them, or at least some of them. What do you think? This eye actually came out better. Should I try to fix that? I don't know. I think it's kind of risky. Let's wait for this to dry, and then I'm going to put on mascara. So I'm going to leave the lower lash line bare, I think, and I'll just put a light coat of my trusty L'Oreal Double Extend Beauty Tubes. I almost never want my lower lashes to be the star of the show, and that's definitely true right now for this look. So there we go. Just a little bit. If I were to try to fix that, I think what I would do is take a Q-tip and wet it. You know what? Should I do it? I'll do it. That way you can see. So I think I'm going to try dry Q-tip first. That's a little better. And then I just need to fix now a little bit for that curve. Okay, not so bad. That's better. And then I'm going to curl my upper lashes. And I think today I'll use my Kiko Green Me mascara. By the way, I will show you a better view of it. If you like this shirt that I'm wearing, I made it. It's one of the ones that I made. I know I have not done a video on my designs in so long, which is sad because I've been doing at least one design a month. But I'll put the link in the description box as to where you can get this shirt. I'm calling it the Monster Mask. Get it? You know, pandemic, monsters wearing masks, song. This is why I can't quit my day job. While I play with my lashes forever, I'll tell you what else I used on my face for this look. I decided to go with a cool tone bronzer, so I'm wearing the Too Faced Sun Puppy bronzer, which I think they discontinued. I don't know why. I'm so sad about that because I love this bronzer. I went with a peachy blush. I used the same one from last year, the KVD Fetish palette. I don't know. The one with the 3 blushes in it. I used the matte orange one called Salem, like a peachy orange. Then I decided to go with a white gold highlighter, so I used Ofra's Star Island. I did use a brow product today. I used the Benefit Gimme Brow Brow Gel, I think in the shade 3, because when I trimmed my bangs recently, I accidentally cut off half of this eyebrow. So, you know, just trying to make things look even again. I used my setting spray because I'm going to be wearing a face mask later, and I don't know, I'm not happy with my lip choice. I was trying to get a lip color that like really matched the orange I was using, but I feel like I'm a little off. You know me, I like being matchy-matchy. So I used the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit liquid lipstick in Coral Corruption, and then on top of it I put the Fresh Sugar lip treatment in Punch. I don't know if they discontinued that too. Stop discontinuing things I like. Alright, I think that is it for this look. Came out okay. You gotta try new things, at least when it comes to makeup. Makeup's easy to try new things with, so no excuses. Comes right off if you don't like it. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye! See you next time, and happy Halloween!